Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do a daily update on the progress of the garden. If you are watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a follow. Subscribe even. Well, the raspberry bush is done. And the pepper plants are ridiculous in that they have given me all the peppers I need for canning this year. What do you got going on there, eh? A little bee? No? Now our compost pile. Most important part of the garden. Because when you're growing all that stuff, well, there's only so much fruit and then a lot of roughage. A lot of green, a lot of vine. It's got to go somewhere. So if you've got a yard, it's always a good idea to have a compost pile. Throw in your garden scraps. And it's a good place for your critters to go. Leave the rest of your yard alone. Well, our squash box is just doing, I've seen it more leafy. Well, the first year. First year with fresh soil. Okay. Are you a... Yeah, that's a squash. That's a spaghetti squash. Whereas you can tell with this is a zucchini. Okay, zucchini, you gotta come off. Yeah, because it's got some give to it when you grab it. And we'll just take it that way. That down. Well, I did not see any beetle eggs being laid yesterday on any of the leaves, so that's encouraging. A lot more bumblebees this morning. Don't see any honeybees like I've been seeing. Oh, while I'm here, check our zucchini. Now this, no, nothing. Well, let's actually look at the zucchinis. Tiny little zucchini. Harvested one yesterday. It was ready. No. Really don't want to be surprised with another giant zucchini. Like this one. Bloody hell. Oh, gotta get it from the other side. See? See? This is ridiculous. This is too woody to eat. The only thing I can do with this is feed it to the critters. All right. Well, it's a good thing I got a lot of canning done already. Of the zucchini, anyway. Next, I have to pickle my fermenting pickles. They've been fermenting slowly, being descummed on a regular basis. Yes, they put them in a pot with the fermenting liquid, and put a weight on them, and then they will start having a funny smell, which is normal. And oh look, I missed a bean yesterday. More than a couple of beans, look. I did have beans yesterday, but I had to wait a day to get a harvest, and I still missed these. Ah, yes, our potatoes. Dug some up again yesterday, so we will have another meal with that plant, and then dig some up tomorrow. Our in-ground potatoes continue to do wonderfully compared to the in-box potatoes. Just do better in the ground, in the soil, than in a raised bed. Oh, nasty. Okay. Well, our kale bush is delicious as kale can be. And our onion bed, reseeded after a midsummer harvest, is coming up. All right, let's just go have one more look. At the squash, zucchini, I mean, zucchini within the squash plants, like these leaves here. They're growing and climbing, and I have yet to see, okay, some flowers, so oh, there might be one there. Okay. Well, we might get some rain today. Imagine that. 30% chance. We just had a 10-minute drizzle, and that's it. That's really about it so far. Imagine that. 30% chance. Well, that's what it said yesterday. I guess I should check again the chances this morning. There's a few clouds in the sky, but it's gonna be pretty hot for the next 5 days. So let's go in the front and have a look at Butch. Oh yes, this tree wants to grow. I'm gonna have to get in there this fall. Find the roots of that, dig it out. Okay, so our early leaves are getting a little brown. It's normal, especially being back there with not too much sun. How's the lavender? Oh, it smells so good. Well, our pumpkin plant is doing just fine so far. And our giant sunflower still hasn't opened yet. Meanwhile, Butch has already had 3 flowers and another one on the way. Look, another one right there. Wow. Okay, let's look down in here and see how our zucchini is doing. Oh, nice big flower to get in the way, to hide the zucchini. We saw it growing here yesterday. Where are you? Ah, there you are, underneath the flower. Okay, well, let's make sure you get pollinated. All right, let's take that one off. And we will give you some love. There we go. I still got some, oh, they've gone through all the breadcrumbs I gave them pretty well. As long as it attracts the pigeons and not the seagulls. Well, our rescued pumpkin plant continues to have its floppy times, as I like to call it, especially during the hot spells. It goes a little floppier, faster than the other plants. Oh, Jesus. I think you've gotten a little too big there. That's another one. And I missed these. If it wasn't for crabgrass, there'd be no grass at all. Okay, well, still surviving. Being buried in the soil is still damp. Good. Yeah, what a mess, eh? Look at that. Okay, let's get out of this box. And our morning glories are just gloriously flowering. Look at these weird ones, eh? It's nice white, the pink, and the blue. All interpollinating. Yeah? Little bug action there. Buried deep. Just buried deep. All right, well, if you have hung out till the end, appreciate it. Remember, if you're on Rumble, please give us a follow and a thumbs up. If you give us a like or a thumbs up, depending on the platform, helps the algorithm. Well, YouTube it does. I don't know about Rumble. Rumble works differently. Okay? All right. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for coming out. Bye-bye.